So today we're going to be comparing ChatGPT and Claude AI to see which one is better at scripting inside of Roblox Studio. I'm going to be putting both AIs through a series of tests, and whoever scores the highest wins. So the first step was simple. It was simply to click a block, and every time you click that exact block it changes color, and the color has to be different every single time. Alright, so I'm going to be following the steps. So step 1, select your part in Roblox Studio. So here, I have my part here. And it said insert a click detector inside. So here, I'm going to add a click detector right here. Insert a script inside the same part. So here's the script. And they told me to just paste the script. So right here. And yeah, let's test it out and see if it works. Whoa, alright. So yeah, my cursor is clearly working, and yeah. That's a point for ChatGPT. Alright, so right here, I have Claude right now. I'm just gonna paste the exact prompt I put for ChatGPT. And I'm just gonna send it, and it should do it for me. It's a different game right here. Completely different base plate. And yeah, we'll just wait and see. Alright, so it said it's done. And we'll just see what happens. Oh, alright, it looks pretty suspicious to me. But yeah, it literally does the same thing as the other one. So, Claude also got a point for this one. For the second test, you have two parts. When you step on the first part, a 10-second timer appears. If you don't step on the second part within those 10 seconds, you die. But if you do step on the second part within those 10 seconds, nothing happens and the timer disappears. Now let's see what he says now. So it's telling me to create parts, so I'm just gonna do that, create a remote event, and paste the script. Yeah, there's a lot more to do. So I'm just gonna fast forward and show you guys the result. Alright, so here's my part that I did earlier. It's still working. So let's see here if it does work. So there's the timer, so pretty much working. And let's go ahead and click the second block and the timer disappears. So it's pretty good. Now I want to test something else. If I step on the block and then I just wait, do I die? That's the real deal. And it appears that I do, so that's pretty good. And one last thing I want to check is, okay, this block does nothing when I click on it when there's no timer, so that's good. One thing I want to check is if the timer just stays if I re-click on the block. So let's see. Yeah, see, it's glitching out, so that's something I'm gonna try to fix. So I'm just gonna tell him to recheck the script. It should be fixed. Let's see. This block's still working, and yeah, this one works. We're just gonna die really quickly to see if the structure still works. And it does, which I'm happy about. And last thing is the overlay. Is there gonna be two timers at once? Yep, it just resets, so let me try to fix it again. Let's see, hopefully this time it works, because It's the last chance. This one's still working. And this one is still working. See, now if I re-step on it, it doesn't do anything. Let's just wait and see if I die. And I do, so after a lot of work, ChatGPT gets his second point. So now I'm just gonna give the same prompt again to Claude and see what he does. Oh wow, we say it like instantly. We can see the work being done like at the moment, like live, which is crazy. Alright, he said everything is set up. So let's see if it works. Okay, so this block is still working. Let's step on the safe zone. Nothing happens. Let's step on the red zone. So now it's starting. Let's re-step on it. Okay, so it doesn't have the problem ChatGPT had. And now the safe zone's working. So this one, perfect. One prompt only. So, and there's also a step here, safe zone. Perfect. Claude gets its second point. So for the third test, it's probably going to be the most straightforward one, and it's just asking each AI if they can build a castle or not. So yeah, good luck for both. I think by now we know that Claude is going to do the better work because he has access to Roblox Studio, but let's not lose hope on ChatGPT. Hey, it's not bad. It could be better, obviously, but for it, like, not being able to place parts, I'll give it half a point for the effort. So ChatGPT is currently at 3.5 points, and yeah, it's not bad. Okay, so apparently it is done. So let's just, holy, okay, okay. It's not bad at all. It's actually pretty good, bro, honestly. There's no specific details, but the fact that it did a door... I mean, I'm kind of fat right now, so I can't go through. Kind of stuck. Maybe if I shift lock... Where's the shift lock button? Okay, right here. Yeah. I mean, it needs some work, but honestly, it did way better than ChatGPT, so I'll give it a full point. So 4 out of 4 for Claude and 3.5 out of 4 for ChatGPT. And the last test was to make a cutscene, and ChatGPT just failed miserably. So honestly, I'll just show Claude's clip, which is insane. I am surprised Claude was even able to do something like this. It's actually top notch. Alright, so here's the cutscene. Let's see it. Oh my gosh. Yo. Oh. Okay. No. This is insane. Tell me whatever you want to say. Yo, like, how is it even possible? What? No, this is genuinely insane. Wow. So, what's my opinion on everything that we just did? Honestly, I feel like Claude is like miles ahead of ChatGPT. Reason being, it can actually work on the game itself, and with ChatGPT, you have to do everything manually. So honestly, you just send a prompt to Claude, and he does every single thing for you, which is horrendous, which is absolutely unbelievable. I got bamboozled once I knew it could do that. So honestly, Claude can make full games, in my opinion. it can literally just make full functional games. If you guys want me to try it out, just let me know in the comments. And if you want a tutorial on how to set up Claude so it uses like your game to like script, so like you don't have to do everything manually, just let me know and I'll make a tutorial. So yeah, honestly, Claude beat ChatGPT from like points and miles ahead in my opinion. So yeah, make sure to subscribe, like, comment, and yeah, thank you for the support I've had. It is absolutely insane. I usually don't do shoutouts, but I shout you guys out. You guys are truly a wonderful community. So yeah, see you in my next video.